for watching this video. So for today's video, we're going to be doing a cute unboxing of a cute little bag I picked up during quarantine. Now, here is the package. It is a pretty bright red like my lips are today. If you would like to see what the bag looks like, please continue to watch this video. Thank you. Okay, so in the spirit of getting on with the video, guys, like I said, we're going to be unboxing the extra small Stefano leather Ava. That is the name of the bag. It's the extra small Ava, and it is a crossbody. It is very appropriate for a date night, girls' night out. If you're traveling, you want something you can dress up or down. You don't know if you're going to be out and about running errands, going to eat, you know, whatever you're going to be doing, this is a great option. And so, moving right along, again, the bag is retails originally for $187. However, I did not pay that much. I believe I paid about $93 or something roundabout. However, today, if you go and look on the site, you won't exactly see it. I don't know if the bag is discontinued now, but I was able to just Google it and bring up a couple of the specs about the bag. And again, it originally retailed for $178, but I'm sure you can go on Poshmark. You can look on eBay. I have purchased a couple of bags from eBay before, some really cute bags, but please pay attention to the sellers. Anyway, like I said, so today we're going to be unboxing the extra small Ava, and it came with UPS. And it didn't live here locally. We have a couple of the Michael Kors stores, like in the Galleria, and they have an outlet store, so you can pretty much order from anywhere, wherever you like. Anyway, so here is the bag, and I do like the way it came packaged. Everything really nice and neat. That is always a plus. It was wrapped with a lot of nice tissue paper. Such a cute bag. I love the flap. I love the flap. I love how sleek it is. It has one pocket on the back. It has a top handle. I do love that. So let's just see. Oh, so I'm sorry. So starting out, again, it is a bright red color. So again, you can be able to wear it like now. I have on, this is actually a bodysuit that I have on, and I have on kind of like an oversized denim jacket. So today I decided to pair it with this bodysuit. So however, if I was going out and I wanted to throw some jean shorts on top, or even just a pair of distressed denim jeans, I would for sure grab for this cute little bag here. So again, starting out, you have the Michael Kors logo on the front, and then you have the Michael Kors on the little chain in the front. So moving right along, taking that out. Now again, this is, it does come in 3 sizes if you're able to get your hand on any one. However, I have the extra small, and I wanted the extra small to, again, when I'm on the go or I'm traveling out of town, I can be able to dress it up or down. So this is why I opted for the extra small. And I love the color. You can't beat the honey. You can't beat the color. I love the color. Okay. So again, you have, let's see. Here's the tag. And right off the bat, it comes with, I'm going to sit this down here for a minute. It comes, again, it is a crossbody, and it comes with a strap. It comes with a long red strap that you're actually able to adjust. I like that it has, how many loops it has? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it has about 5 little holes here that you can adjust the length to your liking. I do like that. And again, it is the Stefano leather. And I just, oh my God, I have a couple of other bags in this same leather, and it is by far my favorite from the Michael Kors line. It's something about it because it is textured, and I love that feel, and I think it really gives excited when I received this bag that I wanted to do a video. So that is that. We'll put that to the side. And again, you did notice it is in gold. I received, well, I wanted the silver, but however, they were out of the silver, so I went ahead and went with the gold. So yes, I have the gold detail, and even on the scraps here, it has the, it just kind of hooks on there. Like that. Okay, so moving along, it is one, so it has some tissue paper in here. Okay, so it is actually, you have one pocket on the back. You have the Michael Kors logo going to be stamped, hot stamped on the inside. You actually have one pocket here. I'm so sorry. I hope you can see that. You actually have one pocket here. So it's going to be real, really tight. You're not going to be able to fit a whole lot in there. I do have my phone here. So if I was to put my phone in, I actually have some lotion that I normally keep in my bag at all times. I don't have my wallet on me, but I have like a small envelope, Michael Kors envelope wallet that I would wear with the bag. You may be going to be able to fit, like I said, a small envelope wallet. Your phone. I have my lotion in here. That's about it. And even, don't get me wrong, if you want to have like a small little makeup bag, you can maybe fit a makeup bag in here, and you can actually just put your phone. You know, you can, I wouldn't particularly wear it like that. That's not my thing. But if you wanted to, it's an option. And again, so you see on here on the tag, the bag originally retailed for $178. However, again, I think I paid about $93, and it was free shipping. So that was actually a steal. So okay, I'm just going to take that out. And how about, I'm going to go ahead and put the scraps back on, or put the scraps on, I'm sorry. And I'm going to okay, here we go. So, and I'm sorry I'm sitting down, guys, but yes, here's the bag with the strap on. And again, you can adjust it however you like. And I love how that it has kind of like that magnetic snap, that little closure. You won't have to worry about trying to tussle to close it, or it's staying open. How freaking cute is this? This is so cute. I think if you can get your hand on it, whether it's in, it comes in a multitude of colors, but because my sister actually has the black one, and I was like, oh my God, I love that little bag. I had been hunting for it for the longest, and I actually stumbled up on this bag before in TJ Maxx and Marshalls. And so all us ladies know, that's kind of like the plug outside of ordering online and ordering from like Poshmark and eBay and different sites like that. And again, you can just easily, if you're in the mall, you're in the store, just go look in the Michael Kors store itself. I do like on the bag, they took the time to not only give you one adjustable, I guess I'm just going, for the sake of the video, call it like a little scrap. I can't, you know what this little thing is here. You're able to it's able to hold that little extra flap down without having it look real crazy or bending or anything like that. I love that. And actually on this bag, the gold detailing really adds a pop. Now, however, again, I was looking for the silver because I have a couple bags that have the gold detailing, and I'm just moving towards the silver hardware. So again, if you're able to get your hand on this bag, I do recommend. I'm going to do a close-up, and you can be able to see what I was saying. It's the Steffiano leather, and it has a texture. You can just see that, you know, because it's kind of textured when you touch it to the feel. Now, you do not, on the mini, you do not get any feet. But trust me, you know, again, it's a crossbody. We're not going to be looking to sit this bag down anywhere. That is the purpose of a crossbody anyway. We need something that's quick, that's on the go, honey, that you can just put on. You're in the club, or you get in a drink, or whatever you're doing, out with the girls. It's going to be across your body. Again, if you're able to pick this bag up, I have been on a hunt myself for another color, kind of like a neutral color, that when I'm on the go, out of town, again, this is something that I would definitely grab for, without a doubt. Oh, one more thing, I'm so sorry. So this actually comes with two little side hooks here, and it clasps together. I think that is so freaking cute. How cute is that? That is just too cute. How cute is that? Just cute. And again, that one pocket, now it's kind of tight. You're not going to be stuffing a whole lot in there. Okay, you guys, so that is it for this unboxing. If you have enjoyed, and I'm sorry, that was one of my first unboxings I have ever done here on YouTube. And if you liked that video, please give me a thumbs up and request for more. Don't be afraid to leave a comment, share with your friends, your cousins, your sister, your boo, your bae, whatever that is. And I'll be sure to do some more unboxing videos.